Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be trying these products by Kastiny. It's their perfect 6+3 gel polish. This packaging is absolutely beautiful. So this company reached out to me. I just want to say thank you so much, Kastiny, for reaching out to me to try your gel polish. I think I have about 9 because 6+3 is 9, right? 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I have about now 9 gel polish in this box. So that is what I'm going to be trying with you ladies today. We're going to be swatching. I already have my nails done. I always yes, like I've said in one of my previous video, I get my nails done. I go to the spa once a month to get my mommy time. So I have artificial nails here that are already DIY the placements where I'm going to be doing the swatches. But before we move into this video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe if you like my content, or if you just like me or you like my African accent, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to jump right into this video.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
So we're going to go ahead and unbox. Then we're going to talk about the colors and we're going to do the swatches. All right, I'll be leaving every necessary information about this product, the company that I'm working with today. Like I mentioned before, their name is Kastiny. I'm going to be putting their information in the description box if you want to check them out, and I will encourage you to check them out. Although we haven't swatched the products, but I'm just putting this out. There is nothing wrong in checking a company out. You might end up seeing something you like there. And so on the box it says something, on the box it says unlock the new trends in nail arts and enjoy salon effect at home. You could take this to your nail salon, or you could do it at home by yourself. A varieties of colors can be selected. Get the treatment of being a queen in your own home when nailing it as you do it yourself, DIY on your own. Ideal for both home and salon use. Just like I mentioned before, enjoy a relaxing nail salon on weekend with your friends. Yes, that's what they have on the box. So you all know me, I like to read directly from the source. I don't want to prolong the matter or give you wrong information. Wow, these colors are beautiful already. Like, yeah, let me just go ahead. Look at it. Comes with, of course, the manual. This is how the manual look like. It's just the instruction of how to go about it. They have English. They wrote it in English and in another language, which I don't know if it's French or probably, I don't know what language is that. I don't want to prolong the matter. So they just put how to use on the manual and just instructions. So it's just a perfect gel polish user manual. That's what this one is called, and it is beautiful too. Look at that. I just love how girly and flowery their packaging is. This is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So like I said, I have 9 gel polish in this box. We have 9 there. So see, this is the inside. It's empty now. I love the way they put this for you to put your nail polishes, to just have a base to sit down. When you're done with it, you just put them back there. This will, so look at that. I like that idea. It's beautiful. So you don't have to worry when you move your nail polishes, or you're moving from where you live. You don't have to worry about how to, make them stay in an appropriate place so it doesn't spill or something. These are all the colors, and I put them according to their shades. I just want to make sure you all can see everything. So let me move it in the camera so you can see. So we have 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. They all start with B0, B0, B0. All right. So we have this is the base coat, matte top coat rather. So the matte top coats, I'm going to start with the base coat. I want to put them in the way they're supposed to be in order not to prolong the video. So base coat, top coat, then glossy top coat, glossy top coat. So I'm starting with this. I'm not going to be doing too much of talking since I have 6 shades, so I kind of DIY my nail stand. So this is the top coat I'm using right here. Yeah, that one is moving because it has no stand. After the application, this product didn't come with UV LED lights, you know, to cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. That's the instruction on the manual. But I do have a UV LED lights from another company. That's why I cover this, because it's not appropriate, you know, for me to do that. But I have no choice, so I'm not going to mix 2 companies together, so I'm not going to mention, but I'm going to be using that to cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. That's what they recommend. So now it is cured, so I'm going to bring them out to start applying the color according to order of arrangements. All right, so I'm starting from 67. And after we're done with this, we're still going to go ahead and cure it for the same amount of time, 30 to 60 seconds. These colors are very pigmented. I would like to let you ladies know out there, they are so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to go to the salon again, you know, to the spa. I can't wait. Look at that. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. Even though I'm not really into, you know, bright colors, yeah, I think I can work with some of these colors. They are beautiful, very pigmented. See, I don't even think you're going to need double coat, because they show just right after application. Wow. Look at that. Look at how beautiful they are. So I'm going to put them under the UV LED light for 30 to 60 seconds, and I'll be back. All right, this is after that. Look at the colors. Look at how beautiful they are. You see? And I'm just going to go ahead and put the top I'm going to put the top coat, the matte. This is the matte one, and this is the glossy one. So I think I'm going to go with the matte, whichever one you want to use, and then you cure it again. You know what I can do? I'm going to let you see how the matte turns out. I'll put the glossy one on the last one. So this is the matte one. We cure it again, then we wrap up this video. I just wanted to let you know, I don't want to waste a lot of time, ladies, so I'm going to go ahead and do this and cure, then we wrap this video up. Camera, and I'm going to show you the outcome. Okay, it's not perfect, you know, it's not a nail tutorial, it's just to see the color. So this is the end result, and you see that the matte one it gave us the matte finishing. You all can see it right there. That's the matte finishing. All right, and the glossy one, I'm going to bring that one up, and of course we got the glossy. Let me just stick that one on my nails, just to give it, you know. And please check in the description box to find out about Kastiny and all the amazing products they have on their website. And please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.